All right, my people, good evening, everyone. Me sure say, oh yeah, we I'm doing well. Trading and for another of my 18 comedy. Now you are another Sunday. My name is Edu Sunday 8 p.m. sharp. There so about my custom issues of life on Ghana Talks Radio. Some more money with it out. And you bedding come on. But before that, let me apologize for last week. You see, sometimes when I'm on the pill, when I'm on the real. Last week in already so well, so Mamba online and Mamba didn't come up. But today I'm here and I'm doing well. So Mom won't fire mommy. I'm in hot and God bless you guys. So I really appreciate it. Call yeah. My custom issues of life and you bedding come up. Last week you mentioned me and banning me experiencing one or two things and then I'm a person that you be the home come up. So today I talk about health, how you could take care of your health, very necessary. You be the home come up. Before that, and then fast today in Kabia and my sponsor. So if you restaurant now listen, open the and pack. Everyone can there forget if you appointed hotel, just contact them nana. Now why you order maybe I will be on and then go sort you out. So I crank one dia the restaurant, the big up to the so also be careful BB super fine bakery. So one of they be a money every week be or the BB bread ever serving or you might do so. Thanks Metal Corporation for the be a make us a band that them way to man can they forget it. Be a mammy then go be a mammy then GTR sound here all my say. Almost a program we are. Me try me will tell if I come back I will go talk about my health and your health because my phone with you here me miss my phone with you them on here we try me back alright, Busia me koya I'm back. Don't forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel and say your Ghana Talks Radio. All the social media platforms on your Ghana Talks Radio. Charlie, make you download our app on our Play Store and the App Store. Ghana Talks Radio. So what I say? Come, yeah. Don't forget the bell and so YouTube bell. No boss to better anything here we go drop. We bring your notification. What I say? Okay, Uncle. Let's talk about health. Last week when I cannot really feel well and we was show Koforidia, so we moved me and my team. We moved go Koforidia Saturday. So the Saturday morning, we were wedding. We was home, so we passed by then. Charlie could show love for our brother Pablo and the wedding near this. So we passed by and Charlie could show love. So you call wedding. I said, me I see my body say now. I know they feel fine. Me like. I go rest and I go take medicine. But the test started a day before. But me only say normal, just normal malaria. So after my performance, wedding, because if you meet a brother, you show love. So Jamaican, you say I dey cry. After my performance, my memory, so me take car, me dinner, my boot, eat dinner. I want them, and I might do me, So we dey go back to Koforidia. Then I have another show, so man for go prepared and challenge you really acquire for say hold and me could do fear. Obra me na my campaign. I dey shake like me won't say nah, I no be okay, me no okay. So I asked myself, then near to me, so I told my guy now for life, Charlie, carry me go hospital. That's so you okay, one so okay, young hospital. Poor. Move go hospital. There's one hospital for people. I don't want to mention name. Then you call on when you call your card near the health insurance. I don't have. You see, we don't bother to get these things. So your card near Kutiaha, near see a trained doctor. And then trust me, sir, that Saturday in your brain. So I'm a gym can I know if you perform that day. So that day, the next morning, organizers a little bit more pressure, so we have to send them their money back. Now you have some juniors here send you music out. The next Sunday, I'm going to hospital on Saturday. The Sunday, I told them, I no go see some mama transfer and I'm in Accra because if you Accra the big, mama transfer me by one polyclinic bill of the area. What I come see for the hospital for that Saturday, Sunday, what I see for hospital now. I said I could pen and catch them in the co man who take good care of his health because Unipa Wapo would be everything. Makwaji show, I go take money from people so they come perform. I don't have that energy to perform until now. Me and that day, they can't take back my money. I feel them hearing. The corona, lamb, see them collab, and me say malaria, typhoid, really nah. Yes, in the resource in the buy, and no be any found baby, yes, in the hey! But listen, I started that deal. It started a long time, but nipa in time or money home. You see, I be one guy, they be on my phone. No be anything. I know they get time for food. The problem, no. I know they get time for food. So no be when your time, and I know they get time for food. So I shall see that they bombing. Sometimes young to me, oh, my father painkiller be there coming. Say no, and it grow from one level to another. And then I had the full life managing when I the doctor to me be brand the picture. But I shall see a long time was I have to take good care of my health like me not time mommy hono. I take come normal, they take come cool. Business is be brain actually me I don't have that energy no can be like so my brother, my sister, what are they tell you this if you take good care of your health? Take them serious. Baby, go hospital and go do check. And you enjoy drone now with the buy for street. You want to draw where they you see Chroma say everybody be doctor. Now, mommy can't just tell me you go see your brother. You go but no my draw where guy you know my venture. Be a doctor. My brother, what are they beg you? Who say who can crack the door? You try and visit the hospital. Then do. Just say try. Let's say lab be and they try and go test near the show body name say then in there yo dance all before drug beer on the street you go take come mama hey bra it will worry you tomorrow. Nigeria na me bre me dead rose they matter to so 40 days. Aduane be they matter so 40 days and aduane be me at the food I eat yes mama this so what I tell you this evening my brother because that one day if you die today you want no body in a year class and no be easy you know go carry your money your house your cars anything be go it be your body will carry go. So what I tell you this evening try to get time for your health. That's what I tell you because who be a hospital and I be told me one woman be walking to her so name from village abesorom so be jare ne banama ne kakra ma me no fi village by na be wu ato ne bane so the woman died for my phone. The woman come die for the hospital many the woman did that I do the woman the woman pour down say you see it's not far from me a bit might happen to me it go feel happening to you. It's not far from me and you. So my brother, let's take good care of our health and easy for be serious. No be sekeke. One thing so I when he say this national health insurance and things need this insurance then you know. Then try and for your movie. Because you see the money I go spend for the hospital come with this insurance and ketenkete maybe kebeti me ateme how be so kakra. But me bill the man and be say. So what we need that health insurance try we all say enya juma but you see e be cover some part bia because okwa health insurance for you do first and send a cash and carry for your dey na bread I suffer this we a week or two now I suffer my bread me no am a drone and a pie we any a day ni nkodu na a draw tablet amamene nko getting to 20 every single day me yen 40 days it was on system on guiding. This is my advice I give you guys this evening. That must be na me dey take good care of your health my brother. Say na that be a be share be bedding comot and you go celebrate you go enjoy life then. We think the coin takra na me dey juma dey university my issues of life every Sunday 8 p.m. Biana live on YouTube all our platforms on the Ghana Talks Radio and the program we bro me da my sister Ella na me da mo am be share me so me da mo so mo ase and the food me dey buy very simple na madam aboafo mo so mo so asin my dey juma dey ebrewo fear restaurant e wo anya Aponchi Hotel GTR Sounds BB Superfine Bakery and 10th Metal Corporation Damasipi. Don't forget to subscribe or your YouTube channel. And Madam Sing, I mean, next week, yes, I'm busy. I'm being at the coin takra. Call me, dear mammy.
Debbie, I went to one Debbie, Debbie, fear. Debbie, I went to one Debbie, Debbie, fear. So we go work hard, dream hard, push hard, we go make it. Now we got a dream, Get to you, we got a dream. We got a dream, though. Listen, Mr. Easy, pussy life no be easy.